Hello, Atlas Travels friends. Today, we're thrilled to take you on an exciting journey to explore the beautiful city of Porto in Portugal. Known for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and world-famous port wine, Porto welcomes you with open arms. Nestled along the Douro River, this vibrant city has been a key player in Portugal's story since its founding over 2,000 years ago by the Romans, who called it Portus Caelgiving, rise to the name of the nation itself. Exploring the Douro River by boat is an absolute treat. The serene cruise takes you through stunning vistas of terraced vineyards, picturesque riverside villages, and the breathtaking river valley, perfect for soaking in Porto's natural beauty. You'll also get to marvel at the views of 6 iconic bridges. Typically costs around €15, €20 per person, roughly 17 United States dollars. With departures from Central Porto or Vila Nova de Gaia, book via sites like Get Your Guide or TripAdvisor for easy online tickets. Taking the Gaia cable car in Porto is a truly magical experience that adds a touch of whimsy to your adventure. This short, serene 5-minute ride whisks you 562 meters up from the bustling riverside in Vila Nova de Gaia, offering jaw-dropping panoramic vistas of the Douro River. The Crystal Palace Gardens in Porto are an absolute gem and a peaceful escape from the city buzz. Strolling through the beautifully kept paths feels like stepping into a secret world full of charm and tranquility. The gardens are lush, filled with vibrant flowers, shady trees, and the occasional peacock crossing your path, which makes the experience even more magical. Visiting the Episcopal Palace in Porto is like stepping straight into a storybook. The building itself, perched proudly beside the cathedral, is a masterpiece of elegance and history. The moment you walk in, you're welcomed by grand staircases, richly decorated rooms, and a sense of timeless charm that makes you feel part of something much bigger. Allow yourself to get lost in the charming streets of Porto, where every corner seems to hold a little surprise. The cobblestone lanes, colorful facades, and the hum of daily life create a magical rhythm that's easy to fall in love with. And as you wander toward the iconic Dom Luís Bridge, the city opens up with breathtaking views of the Douro River below. Mercado do Bolhão is full of charm and life. Recently renovated, it keeps its authentic Silbright stalls overflowing with fresh produce, flowers, and local treats. The friendly vendors and lively atmosphere make it more than just a market. It's a true taste of Porto's heart. Don't forget to head up to the second floor, where you can enjoy samples of Porto's famous wines for just €6. Lovely way to sip and savor the city's traditions. Walk along the rail of the Dom Luís I Bridge and let yourself be amazed by the breathtaking sunset. From up there, the views over the Douro River and the colorful city below are simply unforgettably perfect Porto moment. Welcome to Porto's Palácio de Bolsa, a neoclassical gem in the heart of the Ribeira district. Right by Sal Bento station, it's a quick hop from anywhere in Porto. Book your 30-minute guided tour online in your language for just €12, making it super easy to plan. Built in 1842 for Porto's merchants, this stock exchange palace is a warm hug of history. But the star? The jaw-dropping Arab Hall? Inspired by Granada's Alhambra, this gilded ballroom sparkles with intricate carvings, Arabic inscriptions, and chandeliers that scream fairy tale vibes. Our next stop, Cálem Port Wine Cellars in Vila Nova de Gaia, was pure magic. The tour through the historic cellars was fascinating, with barrels of aging port and a warm guide sharing the 160-year legacy. The tasting was a treat, sipping vibrant ruby, crisp, white, and silky tawny with chocolate pairings was divine. The Fado show stole my heart. Soulful singing and guitar in a cozy setting brought Portugal's spirit to life. Cálem's hospitality made it unforgettable. This is a must-do in Porto. Don't leave without grabbing a bottle of their finest tawny or ruby. If you're dreaming of an unforgettable road trip through Portugal, my latest adventure is one you'll want to add to your bucket list. Instead of hopping on a train or driving straight from Lisbon to Porto, I opted for a private tour with the incredible guide Henrique, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. This journey weaves through 3 stunning stops, Óbidos, Batalha, and Tomar, each bursting with history and beauty. Today, we're in Tomar, Portugal, exploring the Castelo de Tomar and its Convent of Christ, a UNESCO stunner. This 12th century Templar castle is pure magic, with golden walls overlooking Tomar's charming town. The convent's manuline windows stole the show. Those carved corals and ropes are a filmmaker's dream. Óbidos is a magical walled village between Lisbon and Porto that's straight out of a storybook. Picture cobblestone streets, whitewashed houses bursting with bougainvillea, and a medieval castle you can walk along. Holding a tiny chocolate cup filled with sweet, tangy ginza, one sip of it, and wow, it's like a burst of cherry goodness with a warm kick. The walls are about 1.5 kilometers around, and it took me 30 to 45 minutes to soak in the breeze and snapshots of the village glowing below. Pro tip, go early for soft light and no crowds here. Camera will love it. Our guide Henrique shared stories of Óbidos' medieval past, making every step feel alive. Our final stop on this epic Lisbon to Porto tour with Henrique is the Batalha Monastery, a UNESCO stunner that'll leave you speechless. This Gothic masterpiece, built in the 14th century to celebrate a Portuguese victory, is all soaring arches and intricate stonework.
Chorando estará ao lembrar de amor que dia não soube cuidar. Chorando estará ao lembrar de amor que dia não soube.
The Founders Chapel is stunning, with royal tombs and intricate stonework that scream history. Tickets are around €6 and 1 hour here is plenty.
Dança sol e mar, guardarei no olhar. O amor faz perder e encontrar.
Thank you for joining us on this incredible Lisbon to Porto journey. Don't miss our adventures, tips, and travel insights from Lisbon and beyond. Comment, like, and subscribe, and check Henrique's tour link in the description below.